So here is how you guys can complete Path to the Hidden City. So here it's saying grapple axe, throw grapple axe with E while jumping. So when you jump, press E and you see that it says throwing rope. That's how you should go. So shift, hold on shift and you should run when jumping. And press E. My grappling looks terrible here because a bug on this game is insane.
Got to be more careful.
So you need to aim on this one.
Oh shit!
So
Can't
A
sit
and
here.
D. Sorry, WS.
It's giving way.
Well, there we go. That's how
That
you
was
complete
close.
Path of the Hidden City. And just go there. Your mission has been completed. Well then, it's that simple to complete this mission. Thank you so much for
Right.
watching. See you guys in the next video. See ya. Peace.